Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can shorten your links, because most times it's very important that you don't use all of those long links when you are trying to post stuffs online, especially maybe you are an affiliate or you sell stuffs online and you want to use links to sell. All right, I'm going to show you exactly how you can shorten all of those your long links in this video. If this is your first time of coming on to this channel, you're welcome. Kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell. If you're a visitor here, make sure you do all of that. Please support us on this channel. All right, let's get straight into the video. Let's look at how you can shorten your links. It's a very simple process. All you need to do is to go to your Google Chrome and then check here, go to your Google Chrome. All right, and you come to your Google Chrome. All you need to do is to type tinyurl.com. just type it and then allow it to load. And once you allow it to load, it's going to bring up the page for you. There are many ways for you to shorten your links. All right, there are different link shortener. Some people use bit.ly, some people use tinyurl.com. For today's video we are using tinyurl. If you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you another way you can do this for yourself in case you don't want to use tinyurl.com. all right, let's just wait for it to load and then I'll show you how to do it. Good. So this is a page. All right, so I'm going to pick a link that is very long and I'm going to show you how to shorten the link. So I'm going to go straight to the link and bring the link here and paste it here. So let's go to where we get the link. I'll just show you a sample. Let's go to my WhatsApp. I'm going to pick one link right now. Okay, just a sample link. I'm going to pick one now. Here, this link that you see here, I'm going to pick it, this particular one here, because we don't want to be sending very long links to people. So I'm just going to remove all of this. I'm going to remove all of this and just copy the link. All right, copy the link, and then I'll use this, take this link to the link shortener and I'll paste the link here. Where you see enter long link, I'll paste it here, and then I will just click on shorten URL. Are you seeing this now? So it's going to shorten the link for us. Can you see now? The link has been shortened. You can see. So there's no need for you to be posting all those long links. Sometimes people get discouraged when they see long links like that, and people don't like to click long links. But with this kind of link now, you can just use this for your content. So for you to use this now, you need to copy it. You just come to this box here, click on this box, and then it has been copied. Can you see? So that is exactly how you can shorten your link. Now let me show you another way to go around this. All right, so another way to do this is to come here and type, you can come here and type URL shortener. All right, click here, you type URL shortener. Are you seeing this now? Okay, it's bringing us back to tinyurl. So let me just use another method, shorten. Can you see now? Shorten link free. Click on shorten link free. So it's going to open all the options for you. All you need to do is just pick one. All right, you can see the first result here says best URL shortener. If you go here, you see shorten word, free URL shortener. If you come here again, you see short URL, shorten URL. Are you seeing? So there are different options you can use. As you can see here, there's bit.ly. Okay, bit.ly is very popular. All right, so you just click on it and then you follow the same method that I just showed you. Copy the longer link, go to the page, whichever shortener you want to use, paste it there and shorten it. That's exactly how to do it. Very easy, very simple. If you enjoyed this video, please kindly like this video, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you turn on your notification bell so that when I share more contents like this, you will always get notified. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.